Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to execute different custom code for different cities in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add different PHP custom code for different cities. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our function get underscore user underscore city and then you see IP and we are using ip-api.com to get the city information of the user. Now you see and then you see if and then you see check if the request was successful, return the city name like New York, Los Angeles and then you see return null. So this is our important function and compulsory. So you can add this function first in your custom code and then this is our function display city message and then you see city get underscore user underscore city. So this is our function name and we are going to fetch this function. Now you see get underscore user underscore city. So we are going to display or execute different PHP custom code for different cities and then you see if city New York. So you can add your custom PHP code for New York user and then you see echo message. So we are going to display this message. So in custom code you can add get user city function and then in your custom code you can add if condition like this and then between you can add your custom code and then else if city Maitland, check if the user is from Maitland, then display this message. So you can customize this section according to requirement. And then you see else. So for other cities display this message and then you see add action hook. So you can add this code in your action hook and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. So our location is Pakistan and then you see snippet created and saved. Go to card page and refresh the page. So we are going to execute different PHP custom code for different cities user. Now you see hello other users. Now go to another browser and then you see our city Los Angeles. In custom code we don't add this. Now copy this and back to custom code. Now paste here. So we change city in custom code and then click on update again and then you see snippet updated. Go to another browser and then you see our city Los Angeles. Now go to card page and refresh the page. And then you see custom PHP code execute for Los Angeles user. Now you see back to custom code. So you can add your city name and then you can add your custom code. So you can add this code in your custom PHP code and this is our compulsory function. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.